Okay, Jess, before I launch into, looking at your feedback and stuff, the first thing I'd like you to really take away from this is how much you've thought about the spelling of your high frequency words. So things like sight and cracked. I know that's not high frequency, but you've really started to think about light. Right, you've really started to think about those high frequency words, which is really, really good. So you just need to continue that. Have you used the connective in your writing? Now, there's an although in there. Okay, although it was terrible, light lurked about. So again, connective in there is good. But actually, if you look at it overall, in that redraft there isn't much. But if you look in the one above, you've got some good stuff in there. There's an also in there as well. So you see your connectives are in there. Alright. So that's really nice to see. So just keep those connectives uppermost in your head when you write. There's one little spelling mistake in there you just need to watch. Language is good though. So if you think about your language, okay, you've got bitter and destroyed, clenched. Yeah, they're really nice pieces of language. Bitter, again, there is a bitter alien place, a lifeless place. See, your language is really good. So for next time, let's sum this up. So next time, we'll be looking for those connectives. And I would say for you need to be looking at your use of a comma. Yeah, let's see whether we can get those commas around clauses. So things like the town, comma, which was a dusty and alien place, comma, was where the man and the woman were. Or one at the beginning of the sentence like you've got down here. Yeah, although it was terrible, comma, light lurked about. So just look at those two things in your next piece of writing. Good girl.